Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to answer questions on numbered girls. How to answer questions on numbered girls. You can say how to answer questions on register. In the course of this lesson, we're going to answer questions from Wassce past questions to help you better understand the lesson. So stay tuned to the end of the video. And in this video, we are going to learn the register in road transportation. And we're going to answer questions from Wassce 2020 past questions, which is on road transportation. Please share the video to your friends, click on the like button, and subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. All right, let's get to it. We talk about numbered girls. We're talking about the section in your exam where you have to fill in the missing words in a passage. That section in your exam where you have to fill in the missing words in a passage. The section on numbered girls is basically meant to test knowledge on the use of register, on the use of the different parts of speech, and on the use of tenses. I hope you know what I mean by register. The different vocabularies that are being used in the different fields of human endeavor. For example, the vocabulary that is being used in the law field is different from the vocabulary that is being used in the medical field. In the medical field, the clothes that the medics wear in the hospital is called scrubs. And in the law field, the clothes that the lawyers wear in the law court is called robe or simply gown. So the name that is being called the clothes that lawyers wear and the clothes that medical doctors wear in the hospital is different. All of them are clothes, but they have different words for them. So that is what register is basically about, a different vocabulary that's being used in the different fields of human endeavor. So when to answer questions on numbered girls, please select the option that is suitable for the field that the passage is talking about. For example, if the passage is all about football, you should select the option that is suitable for football. Select the term that is suitable for that particular field that the passage is talking about. You should make sure you select the one that has the same tense with the sentence. If the sentence is in the past tense, select the option that will be suitable for it. If the sentence is in the present tense, select the option that will be suitable for it. And do not forget to select the option that is in the appropriate part of speech for the sentence. So basically what I'm saying is that when you're answering questions on numbered girls, make sure you select the option that is appropriate for the field that the passage is talking about. Secondly, make sure the option you're going to choose has the sentence with the sentence. Thirdly, make sure you select the option that has the right part of speech for the sentence. So those are the three things you should consider while answering questions on numbered girls. Now in Wassce, questions are usually being set on agriculture, building, commerce, road and sea transport, politics, sports, entertainment, religion, and technology. These are the fields you should expect questions from in the section on numbered gaps. So please try to know the terms that are being used in these fields. Try to read articles on these fields to help you in answering questions on numbered gaps. Now let's answer questions from 2020 Wassce past questions, section 6. In the following passage, the numbered girls indicate missing words against each number in the list below the passage. Four options are given in columns lettered A to D. Choose the word that is the most suitable to fill the numbered gaps in the passage. Now let's read the passage. Hardly a day passes without news of terrible accidents on the roads. Most of the time, these are caused by ignorance and dash of the drivers. Now we have option A, forgetfulness, B, carelessness, C, wickedness, and D, doubtfulness. Now the correct option is option B, carelessness. That is the major reason why we have accidents on the road and not forgetfulness, wickedness, or doubtfulness, but carelessness. Now let's continue. Beside the ignorance of the drivers, most of the vehicles that ply our roads are not dash. Now we have option A, road friendly, roadworthy, streetwise, road tested. Road friendly, roadworthy, streetwise, and road tested. The correct answer is option B, roadworthy. When a car is not in a good condition and is not appropriate for the car to ply the road, it says that the car is not roadworthy and not road friendly or streetwise or road tested, but roadworthy. Vehicles are supposed to be tested Vehicles are supposed to be tested annually before certificates are issued. However, vehicle owners are issued with these certificates even when their vehicles are not being properly dashed. Now let's look at the options. We have option A, scrutinized; B, appraised; C, considered; and D, inspected. Now the correct answer to this question is option D, inspected. Option A, scrutinized, which means to examine something carefully to find fault. And option A and option D mean the same thing. But the answer is option D because the word scrutinize is not used in the road transportation field. Rather, the word that is used in the road transportation field is inspect. Inspect. You can inspect a vehicle and not scrutinize a vehicle. You inspect a vehicle, you don't scrutinize a vehicle. You can scrutinize a document. You can scrutinize an account. That's what I was telling you about register, different words that are used in different fields. They may mean the same thing, but you have to select the term that is used in the particular field that the passage is talking about. Now let's move to the next one. Most of the drivers do not have valid driver's dash. Your option A, documents; B, papers; C, license; and D, particulars. The correct answer is license, option C, license. The document that drivers are being given to prove that they have permission from the government to use the road or to drive on the roads is called driver's license, and not driver's papers or driver's document or driver's particulars, but driver's license. Now let's move to the next one. There are driving schools with qualified dash to prepare prospective drivers. There are driving schools with qualified dash to prepare prospective drivers. Now we have option A, trainers; B, instructors; C, experts; and D, teachers. The person that teaches driver is referred to as a driving instructor, and not a driving teacher or driving trainer or driving expert, but a driving instructor. So the correct answer is option B, instructor. The sentence should be: there are driving schools with qualified instructors to prepare prospective drivers. Now, after a period of training, the prospective drivers are meant to go through a road test. It is only when they pass this test that they are dashed to drive. We have option A, certified; B, confirmed; C, graded; and D, accredited. Now, the correct answer is option A, certified. After you've learned how to drive in a driving school, you are being given a certificate which certifies you as a driver. So the correct answer is option A. Some drivers never even had a learner's dash when they were learning to drive. We have option A, permits; B, clearance; C, authority; and D, order. The correct answer is option A, permit. The legal authorization that is received by people who are intending to learn driving is called learner's permit. Learner's permit, and not learner's clearance, learner's authority, or learner's order, but learner's permit. So, like I said, the correct answer is option A, learner's permit. Consequently, they have no knowledge of dash rules. We have option A, expressway; B, traffic; C, highway; and D, road. The correct answer is option B, traffic. Traffic rules. All we say is traffic rules and not road rules, expressway rules, or highway rules. Traffic rules describes the rules that guide the movement of vehicles and pedestrians on the roads. Now, let's move to the next one. They are ignorant of what speed dash means. We have option A, distance; B, control; C, mileage; and D, limit. Now the correct answer is option D, limit, speed limit. Speed limit refers to the maximum distance a driver can travel in a time frame in an ideal situation, an ideal condition. So the distance that a driver is legally expected to travel in a time frame is called speed limit, and not speed distance, speed control, or speed mileage, but speed limit. Now let's move to question 80, which is in the last sentence in this passage. To them, 100 kilometers per hour may mean minimum speed allowed Little wonder they dash on our roads. We have option A, murder, B, sins, C, incidents, and D, carnage. The correct answer is option C, incidents. When we talk about incidents, we talk about the things that happen on the road, the occurrence, the things that occur on the road. So option C is the correct answer. Option A, murder, you already know the meaning, sins, and option D, carnage, are not the correct answers, but option C, incidents. So, guys, that's it about how to answer questions on numbered girls. I hope you learned something from this video. Please, guys, do not forget to share the video to your friends. Click on the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye for now.